Here new topics of this organic chemistry, MSc Organic Chemistry, second semester. This is the types of the rearrangement reaction. Previous lecture I completed the part of addition reaction, elimination reaction. Here, what is the rearrangement? A rearrangement reaction. If we are having, these are the carbon skeletal, and is converted into what? These types of the carbon skeletals. Which are 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 1, 2, 3, 4. This iso compound. This, as you can see, this is the straight branch chain compound. Branch chain hydrocarbon. And this is what? Straight chain hydrocarbon. Straight chain hydrocarbons. If the most important condition for the rearrangement, what is the aim, what is the output, what is the result? If starting reactant and the product, if the compound contain primary carbon, it must be converted into secondary. If the compound contain primary carbon, it must be converted into the tertiary carbon. If the compound contain the secondary, it must be converted into tertiary carbon. So, not tertiary to tertiary, not tertiary to secondary, not tertiary to primary, not secondary to secondary, as well not primary to what? Primary. So the aim is that it must be what? Primary to secondary, secondary to tertiary, or secondary to primary to secondary, as well as tertiary, secondary to tertiary in what? Product molecules. Because of the stability of the carbon, if the reactant molecules alkyl halide, hydroxy compound, whatever may be, it condition, it is what? Primary to secondary, primary to tertiary, as well as secondary to tertiary. Means what? If we are having a starting reactant is what? Alkyl halide, it is one of the primary alkyl halide. If we are having the primary alkyl halide, so that is primary alkyl halide. This we can talk about the general reaction. This is the primary alkyl halide, and this compound contains the secondary carbon atom. So whatever the possibility of these types of the alkyl halide, it is converted into what? Secondary. Means what? 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atom having tendency to convert into what? Secondary alkyl halide. So this is the primary alkyl halide. This is the secondary alkyl halide. If we are having these types of the reactant species, this is the secondary alkyl halide. These are the secondary alkyl halide. It is converted into what? It is converted into tertiary alkyl halide. It is converted into what? Tertiary alkyl halide. Means starting reactant primary to secondary, secondary to tertiary. So this is what? Second primary to tertiary, primary to secondary, and secondary to tertiary. As well as if the starting reactant molecule is a primary alkyl halide, if the starting reactant molecule is a primary alkyl halide, it must be converted shifting. We are having this migration of atom of group of atoms from one position to the another position. Migration of one atom or group of atoms from one position to the another position. This is called as what? A rearrangement reaction. So here, whatever formation of these types of the compound, it is converted into what? Tertiary alkyl halide. So this primary alkyl halide to what? Tertiary alkyl halide. This is the aim, this is the output, and this is the results of such types of the reaction, and we call this is known as what? A rearrangement reaction. कौन से rearrangement यहाँ पे participate होते हैं? We are having 1 2 shifting, 1 3 shifting, 1 4 shifting, 1 5 shifting, 2 3 shifting, 3 3 shifting. कौन से rearrangement as of the name, as we can say cope rearrangement, oxycope, thiacope, azacope, commonly known as what? Claisen rearrangement, Somlet rearrangement, Beckman rearrangement, Hofmann, Curtis, Scheme, Losey. These again Beckman rearrangement. Again what? Pinacol, pinacolon, benzyl, benzylate. Pinacol, pinacolon, benzyl, benzylate. These types of the rearrangement are the participate as your syllabus, as you can say MSc Organic Chemistry. So we are discussing if we are having, this is the reactant species 1 2 3 1 2 3. So we are hitting this pi bond from 3 position is shifted to the 3 position. Then whatever, this is formation of here a new sigma bond is formed. That is called as what? Carbon-carbon single bond, SSC. Single sigma covalent bond is formed. So number of, keep in mind, number of carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur, halogen is equal to again what? Number of हाइड्रोजन. मतलब यहाँ पे रिएक्टर में जितने कार्बन, हाइड्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन, नाइट्रोजन, सल्फर, हाइड्रोजन रहेंगे उतने ही प्रोडक्ट में रहेंगे. मीन्स the atoms of O atom must be similar from reactant to product. So here sigma bond as well as pi bond, it is also similar, it is also same reactant to what? Product molecule. So this is what 3,3 shifting, and these types of the rearrangement is called as co-rearrangement. इसको क्या कहा जाता है? Co-rearrangement reaction. इसको कहा जाता है co-rearrangement reaction. If we are having the 3 different reactant molecules, that is what? These types of the reactant. The starting reactant molecule is what? Here, this is what? Double bond. This oxygen atom. This is what? Sulfur atom. Again what? Here, nitrogen atom. So this pi bond is as it is. Then whatever the reaction is takes place in thermal condition, heat 3,3 shifting is possible. 3,3 shifting. So whatever formation of this pi bond is shifted toward the pi bond. Pi bond is shifted toward the pi bond, and this is called here formation of C double bond O, and here double bond 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 and 5 carbon atom. That's why generation of, we call these types of the bonding formation here. This is what? C double bond O, and here single bond is here, single bond. I am writing here C double bond O, C double bond O, single bond CH, double bond CH. 2 3 4 and 5 similar way sulfur atom. This is how double bond. Here also this nitrogen, here double bond. So the types of the product is here nitrogen, here hydrogen, here double bond, and this is called as what? Double bond here. So here these types of reaction it is called as what? Oxocope rearrangement. This is called as what? Thiacope rearrangement, and this is called as what? Azacope rearrangement. So this is commonly known as what? Claisen rearrangement. It is known as what? Claisen rearrangement reaction. When we call this Claisen rearrangement to the cope rearrangement, whenever the heteroatom nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur, these atoms present in the cope reactant. So the cope rearrangement, this is called as Claisen rearrangement. Cope oxacope, thiacope, azacope is known as what? Claisen rearrangement reaction. And this is what? 3-3 shifting, as you call 3-3 shifting or migration rearrangement reaction. तो क्लेसन रीअरेंजमेंट यहाँ पे हम एरोमेटिक कंपाउंड में भी बता सकते हैं, जैसे कि if we are having starting reactant molecule is what, that is aromatic nucleus. We are having this aromatic nucleus and which is double bond here, oxygen atom is here. So what is the name? These types of the reactant is what? Allyl phenyl ether. So this allyl phenyl ether, it is thermal condition 1 2 3. This is what? 1 2 3. So these 3 carbon atoms shifted to our what? 3 carbon and formation of new CC bond between the aromatic carbon and what? Here double bond. 1 2 double bond is here. Oxygen atom double bond is formed here. So this is how, again the next step, that is tautomerism. As you can see, final step tautomerism, pi bond is formed here. This is what? This convert into the OH CH double bond here between the carbon and carbon. So this is formation of allyl heterosphenol, ortho-allyl phenol is the product of Claisen rearrangement reaction. So this is also known as Claisen rearrangement reaction. Instead of oxygen, we can take this sulfur atom. Instead of oxygen, we can take sulfur. This is what? Sulfur CH double bond CH. Here the reaction takes place 3-3 shifting. This is called as what? 3-3 shifting, and the final product is what? Thiophenol. So this is called as what? Ortho-allyl thiophenol is the name of the reaction. This is called as what? Claisen rearrangement reaction. Instead of yes, we can take this NH atom is also, then this is becomes to what? For example, we can take this is N atom, NH, this going to the formation of what? NH2. So this is what? Formation of what? NH2. Ortho-allyl aniline. So this is called as what? Claisen rearrangement reaction. Here, if we are in the next rearrangement, that is here 3-3 shifting in Claisen rearrangement. So another types of the rearrangement, if we are having the starting reactant molecule is what? This is the aromatic compound CH2 nitrogen, CH3. This one is CH3. This is quaternary salt. This is called as what? Quaternary amine. If it is react with the KNH2 or sodamide NaNH2 base, what happens? Having tendency to take the proton from this benzylic carbon atom, because of the benzylic carbon atom is more active. This is going to the formation of carbon ion, and here this positive charge. Then next what happens? If you are, and this is the pi bond is here. This is the nucleophilic in nature, having tendency to take the proton from what? Any types of the CH3 atoms. Then formation of our CH3 atoms or group of atoms, it becomes to what? It becomes to what? Carbon ion. It becomes to what? Carbon ion. This is what? CH2 negative charge. Then this one position, two position, this 1, 2 and 3 position. So this carbon ion species from 2 to 3, here 2-3 shifting, it is called as what? 2-3 shifting is possible. Then whatever, this pi bond is shifted here, and this is what? Here. Very important. This is formation of, so double bond is here, and this CH2, then nitrogen, CH3, CH3, CH2. Again, here the last step, tautomerism, and formation of here tertiary amine. This is formation of tertiary amine. Final product is CH2N, CH3, CH3, and this is what? CH3. So there is formation of tertiary amine as the final product of, this is the starting from what? Reaction is that this is quaternary amine is converted into what? This is possibility here. These types of the rearrangement, as we can say 2-3 shifting, 2-3 migration is possible. And we take here, this is the R group, R2 group, R1, this is the R and R dash. Any types of alkyl group we can take R dash, here R and here R dash. Last is what? R and what? R dash is here. So this is again you can take, this is the R group here, alkyl group in what? Aromatic nucleus. So these are the application of these types of the rearrangement. This name of the rearrangement is called as what? It is what? Soulate rearrangement reaction. It is called as what? Soulate rearrangement reaction. इस रिएक्शन को सोमलेट रीअरेंजमेंट रिएक्शन कहा जाता है. So in continuation of, again we are approaching toward the next rearrangement, that is Beckmann rearrangement. What is that? Beckmann types or Beckmann rearrangement. What happens in Beckmann rearrangement? If we are having the starting reactant molecule what? Cycloalkane, that is cycloalkane. For example, if we are having the cyclohexanone, it is reacted with this is what? The reaction is that cyclohexanone, it is treated with, the reaction is that what? Cyclohexanone, it is reacted with what? Hydroxyamine, NH2OH, hydroxyamine in presence of acidic condition, that is H2SO4, or we can take phosphorus pentachloride. So what is the product? So what is the product? As we can say, the mechanism of such types of the reaction, if we are on the starting reactant molecule is what? Cyclohexanone, this is reacted with what? H2NOH, this lone pair of electron and oxygen which attack on these types of the carbon means what? This application, as you can say, nucleophilic addition on carbon oxygen multiple bond, then formation of what? This C double bond N OH lone pair of electron. It is treated with the H plus acidic condition. Lone pair of electron and oxygen have tendency to take the proton. OH becomes to what? A good leaving group. This is formation of Cn OH positive charge. Then loss of water molecule from here. Whatever. Whenever the loss of water molecule, this is the dehydration takes place. At that time, this Cn bond is shifted toward the nitrogen. So as you can see, these types of the rearrangement is called the nitrogen as electron deficient. Nitrogen as electron deficient, and then formation of what here? 6 member C double bond N. Nitrogen, these types of the carbon carry the positively charged. Here these types of the rearrangement is from this to this. We call this nitrogen as a electron deficient atom. So in the next step, what happen? Addition of water. So the addition of water, this electrophilic carbon atoms which wants 2 electrons and take the electron from this oxygen electron from the oxygen atom. So these are H and H. This oxygen carry the positive charge. Then last step we can say minus H plus. In the first step, addition of H plus from here, addition of H plus here. So addition of H2O, here the loss of water molecule from here. यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया? वाटर मॉलिक्यूल का लॉस हुआ CnOH बना. फिर addition of H plus यहाँ पे लॉस हुआ वाटर मॉलिक्यूल को क्या किया? एडिशन किया. यहाँ पे वाटर मॉलिक्यूल का एडिशन किया, लॉस किया था. यहाँ पे एडिशन करना है. पहले यहाँ पे डिहाइड्रेशन किया है, वाटर का लॉस किया, यहाँ पे वाटर का फिर एडिशन करना है. यहाँ पे H+ ऐड किया था, यहाँ पे H+ ऐड किया था, H plus को यहाँ पे लॉस करना है, so H plus loss from here minus H plus, then formation of what? This we are in the starting reactor molecule is what? This is what? Nitrogen atom, double bond, then what? This OH, it is shifted to here and here triple bond. This is nitrogen, this is the tertiary amine become to the water secondary amines. This is formation of what? This H, C, double bond O. These types of the product, it is called as here the ring expansion. Here ring expansion is takes place, expansion of the ring. So which types of the reaction? It is formation of 6-member cyclic amide. This cyclic amide को हम यहाँ पे कहते हैं lactam. This is formation of what? Lactam. So starting from the cyclopentanone to what? Lactam. If we are in the starting reactor molecule what? Cyclohexanone. It is react with the same reaction condition. That is what? Hydroxyamine H2NOH. Hydroxyamine in presence of acidic condition. Then whatever there is formation of what? 7-member cyclic compound C double bond O and ENH. So this is called as caprolactam. It is the name of the product is called as the caprolactam. And when this caprolactam it is a polymerized. When this caprolactam is polymerized, then formation of final product is called a nylon 6. Nylon 6. कैप्रोलैक्टम का हम यहाँ पे पॉलीमराइजेशन करते हैं, नाइलॉन 6 फॉर्मेशन होता है. So first reaction, second reaction. So this types of the reaction it is called as what? Beckmann reaction. So this is called as what? Beckmann rearrangement. Formation of what? Lactam. It may be in the formation of, if we can take this is the acetone or ketone. If our the starting reactor molecule is the acetone or the ketone, then whatever there is presence of what? H2NOH, hydroxyamine hydrochloride. Then whatever formation of these types of the compound C double bond O, NH and here CH3 atoms. This formation of what? Amide. Amide यहाँ पे formation होता है ketone से, ketone to amide as well as cyclopentanone, cyclohexane to lactam. Such types of the rearrangement is called as what? Beckmann rearrangement. This is the mechanism. First step, mechanism, second step, mechanism, third step, mechanism, fourth step, mechanism, here fifth step, mechanism, 6 number, step number 6. तो यहाँ पे ये जो प्रोडक्ट हमने फॉर्मेशन किया cyclic ketone to lactam or ketone to amide, these types of the rearrangement is called as what? Beckmann rearrangement reaction.